What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So I bought the ZAGG. Yes, the ZAGG Limitless Backlit Keyboard. Yes, this keyboard is really selling low for around 20 bucks. I grabbed this one for 15 US dollar on Amazon. It's absolutely steal. The good thing is that this is a full size keyboard. This is not like the Galaxy Tab S3 keyboard or something like that. This is a full size keyboard. Not only that, it have a backlight in 7 color. Isn't that awesome, to be honest with you? So right now let me just take out the keyboard for you. Okay, so here is the keyboard, as you can see, and then you can connect three gear at a time. It comes with a manual and then a micro USB cable. That's all. So now let's see, do it have a battery use or not? Let me turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Okay, the color. Wow. To change the color, I need to press function and color. Can you see the color? Can you see the can the camera see or not? Wow. I should go with red, right? Red is much cooler. And then now let me take out my tablet, which I'm using to as a view screen for my. I think I need to buy a right angle cable here also. Okay. And then let me just connect. Okay, can I open? Okay. Yeah, it's working. It's working. It's very easy. Okay, no, it's not working. Press, press and hold the 3 second. Okay. Now can I see do it work or not? Okay, one more time. It's working. It's working. To be honest with you, it's working. It's working. It's working quite nice at the end of the day. I mean, wow. This is nearly a full-size keyboard. As you can see, this is a full-size keyboard in excluding the number pad. As you can see, my Microsoft full-size keyboard. This is like quite bigger keyboard. Okay, this is not like the get 10.9 inch is a quite big keyboard. It's like 12.9 inch. Can you see? So can I recommend at the end of the day? Definitely yes, I can recommend it. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy a Geek. Make sure to subscribe and do not forget to, yeah, bye. It's a must buy.